Oh, the camera quality, the lighting is so good. Hey guys, it's Tiffany. Welcome to my world. In today's video, we're going to be doing some DIY crop t-shirts. I had to burn these type of shirts on Fashion Nova, Forever 21. That's all I got for you because I don't really shop anywhere else. Each shirt I'm cropping is like a different type of texture. It's a navy blue sweatshirt. It looks like flyettes, and we're gonna be cropping that. And then next is this pastel yellow t-shirt, one that Kanayla got me, and it looked like this, and it said black girls got the juice. Okay, let's see you guys in the next clip. So guys, we're back, and that's how you make crop tops. The yellow one did come out a lot shorter than I was expecting it to, but like bralette, swimsuit underneath, it's not gonna even look like that. So if you don't want it that cropped, you don't gotta have it that cropped. That's just what I like. It's what Tiffany likes, and I wear a lot of high-waisted jeans. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more DIY fashion related videos, because I actually do quite a bit of DIYs with my clothes, I just don't post them, let me know. All right guys, that's the end of this video. Give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.